guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. I'm sorry for my very tired demeanor. I just got home from work, and let me tell you, it was hefty. But to make myself more happier, I just received a package that I got from my lovely waifu, Nautica. I was not expecting this. She sent me something on Instagram, and she's like, Narelle, I'm spamming you, and I'm just like, okay. And I didn't know it was coming in 2 days either, so she shook me. So, this box really gave me Steven Universe vibes. I don't know about you guys, but that's the way it's given me. So I'm gonna find a way to open this because I have no clue how this box is supposed to be opened. So I'm just going to remove tape and see what comes undone. Alrighty guys, after my thumb hurting and 30 minutes of struggling, I finally figured out how to open this box. So I had it upside down. I'm a dummy. But look at this box. It's so freaking cute. But it opens this way. And I'm trying to cover our addresses because I don't want you guys to see that. So, yeet. So I'm going to open this up and surprise myself. Okay, all right, so let's go. So 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, so here's a note. I can't really move this too much because I will be showing our addresses. All right, so I'm gonna put my light box up over it. All right. So here is her lovely note. Okay, so it states, "Hey Narelle, I had to write this rather quickly in the car, lol. I hope you like everything and I snuck some extra goodies. I do apologize for the lack of updates. Like I've been in the middle of moving, so everything has been crazy, but I should get settled around October, which I am excited for. Yes, also expect an update, a sticker slam in your mailbox before then. Love you, Nautica. Oh, my honey. Oh my gosh, if you guys don't know, Nautica is like my love for my whole life. So anyways, we're gonna get into the package. So I'm gonna remove my light box. I don't know why I'm like scared of this because I saw a little sneak peek, but you know, I'm guessing these are the goodies. So I'm gonna move these out the way. So yes, and I already know what this is because a while ago, as she was selling her manga, and I actually bought all of her Blue Exorcist manga. So that is what this is. So we're gonna take this beautiful tissue paper out that she laid in here, and we're going to go through all of the books. Yay! So I'm just gonna go through what's on top. So this is book number 10. Not 10, 11. I'm dumb. Alright, so here is book number 10 that has my favorite character on it, Amaimon. I freaking love him. He is my honey bunches of oats. Here is number 1. Okay, here is number 2. Here is number 9, who has my wife on it. Love her. Here is number 3. Here's number 4 that has Mephisto on front. Here's number 8. Here is number 7. Okay. Here's number 5. All right. And here is number 6. All right. So by the looks of it, I got 1 through 11. Wow. I'm going to have to find a lot of space for these books. I did rearrange my manga shelf, so I guess I'm going to have to do a little bit more rearranging. Because I legit was not expecting all these books, but you know, it's okay. I will always make room for the manga. So, yep, that is it for the part that I knew I was getting. So, moving on with this. And I guess the last thing is the goodies. I'm scared, y'all, because she freaking scares me a lot when she sends goodies, and I'm not prepared, but I will slightly open this as slowly as I can. I'm gonna keep y'all in frame, so I won't be out of frame. Okay, and I see some beautiful blue hair. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. So, I feel like I want to pull everything out, but I'm going to pull everything out one by one, so you guys are going to hate me for this, but hold on. Alright, I put you guys a lot more closer up to the packaging. So, this is... Ooh! It's her Miku's! I love this! I think this is a sticker! It's a huge sticker! Yes! I'm pretty sure everything she's given me is on her shop. So if you guys really like this stuff, go support my love on her shop. I freaking love this. Like, this is like the right time because I'm almost done with the sketchbook I'm in right now. So I get to decorate my new sketchbook with Nautica art. So moving on to the second one. Ooh, it's another Miku. This is Snow Miku, I think 2018, I believe. It might be, no, because 2019 has that owl thingy. I'm so behind, but I'm pretty sure this is 2018, but if it's it's 2018 because the design for 2019, I don't think is out yet, so yeet. And the next sticker is, ooh, another Miku! She's so freaking cute! Look at hers! And the quality, oh my gosh, is so freaking nice. It's like matte and then so shiny, and I'm like, oof, I'm living for all of this lusciousness. All right, and the next sticker is, ooh, it's another Snow Miku. So she gave me 2 of each. So I'm able to, if I want to use one, I can use one without feeling bad about it. Because whenever I get stickers from my friends, I never use them. But I guess she knew I would feel ever so guilty about using her stickers. She gave me 1 of each. So she's like, Narelle, just take 2. You can use one and just save the other 2 just to look at for the rest of your life. But so thank you so much, Nautica. And I feel like there's a keychain because I can see the key ring. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. All right. And who is this? Oh my gosh, it's Esther. Look at her. If my phone would focus, I could put this on my corkboard I have on the wall. Oh my gosh. And I think that's it. Nope, it's another keychain in here. Oh my gosh. And ooh, it's her Miku keychain. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Miku is gonna show because them bright blues though. Look how cute this is. But yes, I'm pretty sure all of this is on her shop. So if you guys like any of this, please go support my love. And that is it. So just to recap for all of you guys, I got 1 through 11 of Blue Exorcist. I got some really cute Miku stickers that I'm going to use when I get my new sketchbook. And then I got some really cute keychains from my love. One is of her character Esther, and the other one is of Miku. So, oof, and I forgot to note. So, you can't forget the note. So, thank you so much, Nautica, for sending me all this stuff. I, again, was not expecting this. So, oof, you made me so happy. So, again, guys, go support her because she's so lovely, and I just love everything about her. And I will see you guys in another video. Links to Nautica stuff will be in my description box below, as always. So please go check her out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.